This turntable is designed for immediate enjoyment right out of the box, featuring a factory-set tracking force and anti-skate mechanism that eliminates complex setup procedures. Crafted in Europe, the E1 boasts a solid, CNC-machined composite fiber plinth, which is engineered to be free of hollow spaces, significantly reducing unwanted resonance. The lightweight 8.6-inch aluminum Tonearm provides low-friction movement and comes pre-fitted with the highly regarded Ortofon OM5e cartridge for detailed sound reproduction. An anti-resonant ABS polymer platter reinforced with specially designed ridges creates a stable and vibration-free platform for your records. Switching between 33 and 45 revolutions per minute is effortless thanks to a convenient electronic speed control, eliminating the need to manually move the belt. An elegant acrylic dust cover with adjustable hinges is included to protect the turntable and your vinyl collection from dust.